who's
Yeah.
heading our Tarat is not much and much. You're just being
Dramatic changes are rocking South African grassroots movement, and the drama is officially boiling over as Jessica Ngobese Zuma, the main founder and the powerhouse behind March and March, has officially dropped a bombshell video, guys.
No, you don't know much. We have a communications person who's
Yeah.
heading our Tarat is not much and much. You're just being spicy. Right now, you're just being spicy. Sure. But Ntarati
Yeah.
has Insizwa Nobuzizwa, that's
Yeah.
his organization
Oh, I
that he
see.
does on the
So
side.
it was just a collaboration.
It
around
wasn't a
yeah.
collaboration. When we have March and March and we invite anyone and everyone to march,
Yeah.
nobody is restricted. Even you can come and march. And
Her target was none other than Nkosinathi Ndaba, popularly known as Phakela Mthakathi. Jessica is completely denying his status, leaving the streets shocked. She makes it crystal clear Phakela Mthakathi is not a leader, nor he is even a registered member of March and March, guys. According to her, he was just a regular invitee with no special partnership. To understand why this fallout is happening now, we have to look back at the turning point that changed everything, guys. Ahead of the highly anticipated march, Phakela and Ngizwe Mchunu secured a direct high-level meeting with the president, guys, of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa. But there was one major problem, guys. Jessica, the actual driver of the movement, was completely left out of the loop. She was nowhere to be found, guys, in that room. To many insiders, it looked like Phakela used the massive movement momentum, guys, and the brand name of March and March to gain personal political access, leaving the core leadership on the sidelines. This video is Jessica resetting her dominance and drawing the hard line in the sand, guys. Objectively speaking, this is a classic power struggle that happened when grassroots movement grow too fast, guys. On one side, you have Jessica, who wants a structural discipline and a formal lawful civic, guys, advocacy through channel like the SA First Forum. On the other side, you have Phakela Mthakathi. Love him or hate him, the man is a massive crowd puller who drives an aggressive high visibility street mobilization from Soweto to Durban. When two completely different leadership styles try to claim the exact same crown as a public fracture is almost guaranteed, guys. This leaves the public with a major question: is Jessica right to publicly push away Phakela Mthakathi to protect the brand, or did Phakela Mthakathi bring the real star power that made the movement relevant to the streets? Let us know your thoughts on the Jessica statement in the comments below. We would love to hear your perspective, guys. If you want to stay updated on this unfolding story and more current affairs, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.